Good morning, good evening, good night. Wherever you're watching from in the world, I want to welcome you to Trina Nyamins. It's a pleasure to be with you today again. Family, today is Sunday and I thought that I would make some chia pudding. I'm going to show you 3 different styles of how I make my chia pudding. Let's do it.
3 tablespoons chia seed, 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 3/4 cup coconut milk, mix ingredients well. Transfer to a cup or a jar. Place in refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. After taken from refrigerator, top it off with some shredded coconut. Enjoy! Half crushed banana, three tablespoons chia seed, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 3/4 cup almond milk. Combine ingredients well. Transfer to a cup or a jar. Place in refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. After taken from refrigerator, top it off with banana slices and chocolate shavings. Enjoy! Three tablespoons chia seed, 1/3 cup blueberries, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 3/4 cup almond milk, combine ingredients well. Transfer to a jar or a cup. Place in refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. After taken from refrigerator, top it off with blueberries and some nuts. Enjoy!